Hello everyone, newborn investor here and welcome to another video. Today I would like to talk about the reasons why I tripled in on SOFI ticker IPOE. So if you're interested, make sure to stick around as we're starting right now. I had recommended SOFI back in March and my opinion has not changed. I've already done a video about the reasons why I was investing in SOFI, so if you have not watched it, I highly recommend you watching that video first before continuing on this one. You can find the link to that video in the description below. Since Feb 2021, the price of IPOE has been on a downtrend and looks like it's now making a comeback. This to me was a major opportunity to buy, and guess what? I tripled in. So why exactly did I buy more and will the stock continue its uptrend? We will get to it in a minute, but before that, if you like this video and find it valuable, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Your humble gesture keeps me awake at night and motivates me to put in the long hours for making these videos. Alright, let's move on. SOFI recently announced its latest offering, auto loan refinancing. Auto loan debt has quickly become one of the most important areas for consumers to be mindful of when it comes to maximizing financial well-being. SOFI's expansion into auto loan refinancing in partnership with MotoRefi adds a much-needed layer of transparency to the process by allowing the borrower to view competitive offers and determine eligibility without any impact to the credit score. SOFI claims that its refinancing offering on average could save their customers $100 per month. With this new offering, SOFI's customers can now get competitive and personalized auto loan refinancing offers, and they can begin the process on the SOFI.com homepage or directly through Lantern, product comparison site owned and operated by SOFI. This offering to me is a great move as it adds one more reason for customers to stay with SOFI. SOFI is on the right track and is living up to the expectations of a one-stop shop for all things financial. In early March, SOFI announced that it has signed a definitive agreement to acquire Golden Pacific Bancorp for about $22.3 million in its effort to get a national bank charter. A national bank charter will allow SOFI to accept deposits and make loans that use SOFI's member deposits versus the higher cost of funding for its loan offerings as a non-bank. If successfully granted a national bank charter, SOFI plans to contribute $750 million in capital and pursue its national digital business plan while maintaining GBP's community bank business and footprint, including Golden Pacific Bancorp's current 3 physical branches. The transaction is subject to regulatory approvals, and SOFI expects to complete the transaction by the end of 2021. Now, why is this acquisition a big deal? The answer is simple, and it's all about margins. A bank charter significantly lowers SOFI's cost of capital, which leads to better margins and increased profitability. The bank charter can potentially boost SOFI's 2025 EBITDA by 25% or roughly $300 million. This is due to the lower cost of capital leading to increased net interest margins from holding the loans longer. That being said, I think SOFI is reasonably priced now as the SPAC race has slowed down. Currently, the stock trades over 15 times 2021 revenue estimates, and it's definitely not cheap. In my previous video, I calculated the intrinsic value of SOFI for the 3 scenarios. For the bullish case, it's around $21.27. For a bearish scenario, it is around $10.63. And for a median bullish case, it's around $15.95. As of releasing this video, I own 800 shares at $17.82 and would be looking to add more if the stock pulls back to $16. This in no way is a buy recommendation. Please do your due diligence before investing. In my view, investors with a long-term horizon may want to capitalize on the current panic and accumulate as much shares as you can. Now, I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think about SOFI and its long-term prospects? Leave a comment below with your answer and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Also, if you liked this video and found it valuable, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate your support. So until you hear from me again, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.